JND Electronics, Wired Wireless Electricity Measuring Device, WiGEM. WiGEM allows installment of an electricity measuring device without causing a blackout in the building. Its use of a high-precision split CT or current transformer enables easy installment. It is used mainly to measure cumulative valid and invalid superficial power, instantaneous valid and invalid superficial power, instantaneous voltage, electricity flow, power factor, and frequency, as well as voltage and electricity flow of up to 21 harmonic waves. By supporting wireless and wired communications, it transfers measured data to the operations center and allows effective and convenient management of on-site equipment and electricity conditions, quality, and past records. It measures electricity use per server within the Internet data center and can be used in diverse areas such as building automation systems, facility management systems, and factory automation.